Right, this is a Yamaha Grizzly 660 and the kill switch isn't working. And how I tested that is, I took the two screws out, I opened it up, I took the screw out of the center, and there's a plastic piece and a brass piece that sits on top of that. Once you open that up, it allows you to get at these two prongs on the back of the kill switch. So with my test light on the ground, you can see I got power, right? And it's not connected, so no power. Now there should be power. There's still no power. So how to fix this? Pop this out. Sand this. Get yourself a piece of old zip tie. Cut a little piece off it and wedge it in between the copper and the plastic, and that'll push it out a little bit further, and after that you'll have contact, and then just saved yourself probably about 50 bucks of buying one on Amazon. So now I have power here and I have power here. Now you got to make sure that when you put your plastic piece and your brass piece in that it pushes this back forward, because with the extra tension this piece here is going to want to try to slide back. But once that's shoved forward again, you'll see it's making contact.